Your mind naturally wants to focus on many different thoughts. It wants to keep hopping from one thought to the next to the next. So when you're trying to get it to focus on one particular target for a prolonged period of time, many times your mind is going to wander. The novice meditator sees that the mind is wandering and they're like, dang, this sucks. I'm doing something wrong. While the seasoned meditator expects the mind to wander, and once they expect the mind to wander, they simply make themselves aware whenever they got distracted, then they gently come back to the target. The entire process of meditation is that process where you're making yourself aware that you got distracted, then you're coming back. You're fighting against resistance and coming back, coming back, coming back. That's a bicep curl for the mind. We don't go to the gym and lift light weights. We understand that the tension is going to make our muscles stronger. Likewise, every single time that you are willingly bringing your mind back, that tension is making your mind stronger. So a mistake is when you start to vilify your mind wandering. But the smart thing to do is be grateful that you made yourself aware that you were caught up wandering. That's how your mind is programmed. And once you are grateful, each rep that you bring back, the stronger and more grateful that you become, which helps you attach a positive perception to the act of meditation.